looking back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't.
Hey everybody, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, as you guys can see, I'm gonna be unboxing all of my fall decor from previous years. As you guys can see over here, I have all of my bins in the back. I told my husband to bring them out from the garage and just put them here, and they've been waiting for me to unbox them for days now. 4 days. I don't even know how many days, which is kind of embarrassing, but anyways, my previous video was a fall decor haul, so I do have some new stuff, but I do want to go through my old things just to see what else I'm missing and what else I need for, you know, the theme that I'm going for this year. But you know, I just figured it would be a cool video to make for you guys because I am kind of like a chismosa. I want to see what's in the bins of other people and just to get a, you know, just to see what they have from previous years. And I figured you guys will have fun with me unboxing all of my fall decor. Makes me so excited, so hopefully you guys like it, and let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so here I have all my bins. As you guys can see, I do write a little label so I remember what they have inside, even though they are clear, so that makes it easier as well. But see, I have Halloween right done. What's over here? I think I have some right. I don't think I labeled this one just because I knew it was just all mugs. Yeah, I didn't label this one, but here I have all of my Ray Done mugs. I have some Thanksgiving and Christmas, I think, at the bottom. I gotta go through it. And then over here, I just have some fall pillows, fall pumpkins, fall decor, signs and branches. So that kind of keeps it a little bit more organized. If you guys don't do this, I will suggest to do it just so it makes it easier for you to unbox it. So let's do this. I have a box over here. So just for the, you know, stuff that I'm not gonna keep anymore. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna open them. Which one should I do first? Which one do you guys want to see? Let me know. I'm just kidding. I know you guys can't talk back to me, but I'm thinking this one's kind of fun because it's all pumpkin. So I'm just gonna set the phone over here so I can start recording, you know, in front of the camera. But let's see what we have in here. I don't even know, you guys. Let's go see. Okay, so what I'm planning on doing, that's why my hair's all up in a bun. So you guys, I wasn't even really gonna get ready because I knew I was gonna be like hot and moving around. So what I'm planning on doing is make 3 piles. Ooh, this is heavy. Make 3 piles. One that I'm gonna be using, and then one that I'm probably just, I'm a little bit like yes or no, and then the next one is going to be like stuff that I no longer want or it doesn't bring me joy or anything like that. But these are so pretty. I think I can use them this year. These are from, I think these were from either Home Goods or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, but look how pretty these are. They're just neutral. These are the colors I'm going to be using, so I'm definitely going to keep that. So this one is from when I was really into like more glam. I no longer am like such a glam girl, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one or sell it because it's no longer my style. I mean, maybe if I would have like a makeup room or something like that, it would be nice, but I don't know, you guys. I don't want to keep it and then just have it stored and never really use it. But this one was from Marshall's. Look, it's $5.99, so I'm gonna put that in the no longer one pile. These are just little pumpkins, so I'm not gonna show you this one. Probably gonna keep all of these because these are very useful for like coffee stations and stuff. And the black ones, these are good for Halloween, so I'm definitely gonna keep those little ones. Ooh, look at these. I'm not gonna be using buffalo check this year, so I don't know, maybe I should get rid of the buffalo check. But buffalo check, I feel like it never really goes out of style, so I have to keep that. Maybe I might use it next year. And then look, I have this other little pumpkin. These are from the Target dollar spot, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Gray never goes out of style as well, so I'm gonna keep that. Well, this one is one of my favorite little candy jars. I don't know where the lid went, but I have a lot of those little Target dollar spot pumpkins. And even if this gold doesn't work for you, you can always paint it. Oh, I can paint it if I no longer want this color. I could paint it like brown, or I don't know, you know. So I don't want to get rid of those. Oh, here's the lid to that little candy jar. See, this one is from Target as well. So how pretty. This is fun, you guys. This is just like a little, you know, get together with your friends. type of video and just show them what you have. Miren estos. These are cute as well, but I don't know. These are kind of yellow. Yeah, these are kind of yellow. I don't know if I like these anymore, you guys. I'm not sure about these. So I'm gonna put them in the maybe. So I have one to get rid of, one in the maybe, and then the other one is definitely keep. Oh, these are little signs. Look at this one. I think this one was from the 99-cent store. And then look at this one. This one's so pretty. This one's from Home Goods. So I love this one. See, this is the colors that I'm going for. Like neutral and then like this rust orange color. So I'm gonna keep these two because those are kind of like the colors I'm going for. We'll have another little Ray Dunn pumpkin. Blessed. I'm not gonna use this, I don't know what you call this material. Aluminum. I don't know, I know it has a name, but I'm not sure what it's called. This one I'm gonna keep. Another little Ray Dunn piece. Little acorn. I'm gonna keep that because you guys know that I already collect Ray Dunn. If you don't know, I collect Ray Dunn, so. But not like every single piece that I see I get. It's like certain pieces I only like to collect like around the holidays and like just like your normal everyday basic pieces. Ooh, look at this one. I forgot I had this one, you guys. Wow, it smells delicious. I think this one was from Home Goods or Marshall's. I'm gonna keep that. Oh my gosh, this makes me so sad, you guys. Look, this one is beautiful, but I no longer use pink or this is very glam. So this makes me so sad to get rid of it. I don't know. I love this pumpkin. I'm not sure. I don't think I can part with it just yet. So I'm gonna keep it in the keep pack. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Oh, this one's so pretty, but like I'm telling you guys, I no longer use. This is very glam, so I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna let go of this one as well. Oh well, I want to put it in the let go because these are little acorns. This is no longer my style, so I think I'm gonna put that in the get rid of. And then over here, I just have another Ray Dunn pumpkin. This one says Happy Fall, y'all, with the gold stem. And this one is actually broken. Look, I forgot that was broken. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, these are the colors that I'm liking this year, so I'm gonna keep that one. It's gonna be useful. And then this one, you guys, I've had it for years, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it as well. It makes me so sad. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna give it to my sister because her name is Cindy. So it kind of reminds me of Cinderella. So I'm probably just gonna give that one to her, you know? And it's gonna give me a lot of room on this bin because I did get rid of some stuff. So from that bin, this is the stuff that I'm gonna keep so far. This is the, I don't know, maybe. And then this is the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of so far. So let's get on with the next one. So this bin is just signs and branches. So let's see what we have over here. Over here, I just have more pumpkins as I see. Ooh. This sign is beautiful, you guys. This one I got it from Kirkland's last year. I really like this one. This one I'm gonna keep, even though I'm not using this pattern, but it could still go with other decor, you know? Oh, I forgot I had these. These are super pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot I had this. See, this is what I'm telling you. It's good to go through your bins. Look at this one. This one's so pretty.
Something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Ooh, you guys, I love this sign. I think this one I got it. Where did I get it? I don't remember, but it's one of my favorite signs. It's so pretty. I think I got it at Home Goods, but this is kind of the style that I'm going for this year as well. So it's a keep. I have this one. I'm not sure about this one, you guys. I'm gonna put it in the shirt pile. This one. I'm not sure either. Oh, this one is brand new. I didn't even use it. I'm probably gonna use this sign, so I'll keep that. This one, look at this one, so pretty, huh? I love this one. This one's from TJ Maxx last year, so I'm keeping that. This one, I really like this one. This one has like a copper color. I love this one. Maybe I'm gonna paint this. Oh no, but it's gray, so I'm not sure if I should paint it, you know, or something, but I'm definitely gonna keep that. I'm also gonna use copper this year, so that's why I'm gonna keep that one. Oh, this one is so pretty, you guys. This one is from the Target dollar spot. Look, $3, and I think it's so pretty. Put your cookbooks in there. I'm gonna keep that. This one, I don't think I like this one anymore, you guys, so I'm gonna sell that. There they go. This one, I really like it as well still, so I'm gonna keep it. This one's from Home Goods, I think. My goodness, you guys, look at this gnome. I love his hat. I love the colors on it. It's just like this very pretty burnt orange and then neutral and then like that little yellow. Está bien bonito. It's so cute, you guys. Definitely gonna keep him. This is more glam. I still like glam, don't get me wrong, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this either. So I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. And then what is this? Oh, this is like a little fall sign. Then this one is from Hobby Lobby. This one's good for like the coffee station or something. Keep it. Gilmo, hasta para allá, Gilmo. Oh, see, like this one's I'm no longer gonna keep. This is get rid of pile. It's too glam for me now. This is another one. Here's a pair. This one's gonna go. And the last one is this one. I don't know what about this one, you guys. I like it, but I don't know. All of these pillows, the ones that I just showed you with the orange, these are from Ross from last year. So, not sure if I want to keep it, but we'll put it there for now. So there goes another box. That's one thing, you guys. If something's not really, you know, making you happy or doesn't bring you joy, or you know, you no longer really like the style, just get rid of it, you know, sell it, or you know, donate it, or keep it for a yard sale that you're gonna do. I feel like I have a lot of stuff that I keep just because they're cute, and I'm trying to stop doing that. My dog is like walking around, so don't mind him. Here's Mom. But anyways, yeah guys, that's why I've been trying to do my best to try to get rid of stuff, because oh my gosh, I've been switching my decor so much and my style since I started to decorate my home. Since we moved in here, it's been 3 years already, so I feel like my style is changing. I was all into glam and stuff like that, but now I feel like I am more like feeling the coziness of a home. I want to make it look more homey, you know, not so much like just like mírame no me toques type of home. I don't want that anymore. It's like I want it more homey, more cozier. I love Lisa Marie on Instagram. I'm gonna put her Instagram down here so you guys can go see what I'm talking about. But she's the author of the White Cozy Cottage book. Oh my goodness, her home is like my goals. Of course, I'm probably not gonna get it like hers, but I am really loving her house. Oh, you know what, you guys? This is for the outside, so I'm not gonna open this one. My husband just brought it inside. This is all Halloween stuff for the outside. So this bin is gonna go back to the garage. It's Halloween home decor. Ooh, you guys, I forgot I had this. Let's see what we have in here. I think I have like, oh look you guys, I bought some Ray Dunn decals, because I couldn't find the Ray Dunn mug, so I just bought decals. And there you go. This one I'm gonna get rid of it too. So over there. Oh yeah, yeah. This is all Halloween. Let me flip the camera around so you guys can see. Look, this is all Halloween. I think this one's new. I never used it. This one's a little, oh, it's so cute. I forgot I had this. See, I don't need to buy a new one for this year. So if you guys ever are looking for like cheaper rugs, like season rugs, go to Ross. They have a lot. But oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I should take this out. I don't even know if you guys want to see all this stuff, but I forgot I had all this Halloween. What is this? Oh my gosh. Straws? This is a, oh, look. You know what? Because last year I wasn't gonna decorate for fall. I was just gonna decorate for Halloween. So I think I got that at the store for, oh my goodness. I'm not gonna, ooh, look at, oh my gosh. I forgot I had this one. What? I think I got it on. Ooh, it's so pretty. Does it move? I think it's just, look at it. This one I got it on clearance too, from that Halloween store. It just says Hocus Pocus. It just lights up. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put batteries. Anyways, yeah, I have that. Yeah, this is all Halloween, you guys. I'm gonna go through it in another video, or maybe I'll just go through it myself. I don't know if you guys want to see all this, but this is my Halloween bin. So I'm gonna go through this because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm gonna go through it in another video, but yeah, guys, this is so pretty. I love Halloween, you guys. My kids love Halloween too, so yeah, I'm excited to decorate for Halloween. All right, what else do we have over here? This is all right done, you guys.
Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like that.
So over here, you know, I put everything that I'm gonna get rid of in a box, and then, you know, I'm gonna just keep it there for now until I take pictures of it so I can post it and then hopefully sell them. And then this one, pues, I'm gonna give it to my sister, so I'll just leave it here for now. But yeah, guys, over here I have the pillows that I'm gonna keep, and then over here I just have the rest of the stuff. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what I kept. It's not a lot. Everything can probably fit in one bin. I don't have a lot of pumpkins, you guys. I do have like a lot of little ones, but overall I don't have a lot. It's just, you know, little ones. So I still need to go buy some bigger ones, or yeah, I'm thinking I need some bigger pumpkins. And then, well, that's my Halloween bin, my right done, so that stays. And that's it. Overall, I'm pretty happy that I did this, just because I get to have a feel for what I need to go buy and stuff. So yeah, guys, that was it. Oh, you guys, so we come to the end of the video. Hope you guys had some fun unboxing everything with me. You guys got to see some of the goodies that I have from previous years and some of the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of. I suggest you guys do the same thing if you're planning on decorating for fall, just so you guys get to get a feel for what you have, what you still need, or what you guys need to get rid of. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and go ahead and turn on the little notification bell so you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Cuídense mucho. Bye.
I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we